In this video, we're going to talk about jobs you can do yourself and save hundreds of dollars on 98 to 2011 Ford Rangers. I'd like to start off talking about things in the front end area. So we got front brakes, easy to do on these because of four-wheel drive, so there's no grease bearings or anything, not messy. Just take that rotor right off. 2 bolts hold the caliper on, 2 bolts for the slider. Remove that, remove the rotor, clean it up, put the new stuff back on. Probably take you about an hour and a half to do both sides. And it's free labor, right? And you learned a few things, and only a couple of $100 and you can get these parts. That's a lot of money saved compared to possibly a $700 bill. Front shocks, easy enough to do. Spray them down, take your wrench, take them out. Don't have to worry about holding the suspension up. That's not this tight. Just take the shock out. Upper control arm, real easy to do on this Ranger too. Got a pinch bolt, cam bolts, put them in, just get an alignment after. Sway bar links and bushings, these are all things that you can save hundreds of dollars on just doing it yourself. Let's talk rear brakes. So all you got to do is take your tire off, take the drum off. Now this you can replace, inexpensive. I would start with new. I wouldn't turn them, go through the trouble, because then you could end up with a pulsation. For the price of new drums nowadays, they're so inexpensive, it's well worth it. You got your shoes, quick way to do it, always buy new hardware, check your wheel cylinders, make sure they're not leaking, take a picture with it, so you do one side at a time, and you will never be confused about which way the hardware went. Rear shocks, well, you can't get any easier than this. 1 bolt on the bottom here, and then 1 bolt mounted on the top, which is actually a mounted stud that comes out of the frame rail. So all you gotta do is take the nut off. And on the driver's side, you might have to take the spare tire down and get to it, but if you use a ratchet, you'll get in there. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. If you are not a subscriber, please subscribe. Don't forget to ring that bell that turns on all your notifications so you won't miss any of our videos.